Moving on, the first ever International Balloon Festival in Nepal is taking adventure tourism to new heights. Held in the scenic Pokhara Valley, this unique event, officially known as the BYD International Balloon Festival, is offering visitors a chance to witness spectacular views of the snow-capped Himalayan mountains. Take a look.
Soaring high into the sky against the picturesque backdrop of the Himalayas, the first ever International Balloon Festival in Nepal has taken adventure tourism to new heights. Participating in the event are 30 countries, with the BYD International Balloon Festival being held in Pokhara city's Palm region, which is known for its adventure sports. The 9-day festival, covering a stretch of 3 kilometers from Lauruk in Pokhara to Chaknapur in Palm, started on Christmas Eve and will run until January 2nd, 2025. More than 24 balloon companies from around the globe, including Nepal, are participating in the festival. The glimmering snow-capped mountain ranges of Annapurna and Dholagiri during the early morning flights, along with the captivating sunset over the Pokhara Valley, offer an experience no one would want to miss.
People are excited with the balloon this festival. Not only the dwellers of Pokhara, but I think whole Nepal. I can feel that they're excited about this festival, and I was briefed that there are more than 20 international pilots coming in, and even all those pilots sharing their experience to their home country might also be one of the things that can also promote the tourism in their home country. And second and most important is even with the local tourism as well. Not only the international, even the local tourism. I think people will be coming here, enjoying this ride.
Having the Himalaya mountains surrounding you, like the local people just take them for granted, but every time we see them, it's like amazing. Especially like when you're flying the balloon, you go up past a certain height and you go above the foothills, and then the mountains are just there. And every time you see them, it's the same spectacular sight.
Throughout the Pokhara festival, professional pilots from different countries have been flying hot air balloons daily in the morning, afternoon and evening. The festival is expected to host about 500 commercial flights with around 3,000 passengers. Additionally, another 300 non-commercial flights are planned during the 9-day event. Organizers estimate that 68.3 million will be spent on the festival, which is expected to significantly boost Pokhara's tourism recovery after the pandemic.